Hi, I'm Sharon. Welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm going to talk about Lively Root. They are a website where you can order plants, and my son gave me a subscription for my birthday and the holidays, and I'm getting 4 plants throughout the year. This is actually the 3rd one, and it just came, so let's open it up and see what I got. Ooh, I think it's a Calathea. It's a Calathea. Calathea Medallion. Oh, it's so pretty. Wow. So here's the paperwork. I don't want to put my, okay, so it's a Calathea Medallion. And here they give you some tips about taking care of it. So this plant will thrive with a little extra love and attention. Allow the soil to dry out between waterings. Bright and direct light. And it's safe for people and pets. And so this is one of the prayer plants. Their leaves will move up at nighttime and then down during the day. I actually have a different prayer plant in my bathroom, a red Maranta, but that one I don't let the soil dry out. So this is interesting. I'm gonna have to do some research and check and see, because I know that the other one I don't let it dry out or else it dies. And I love that they give you these bags. What I do is I put them through the wash, and then I can reuse it for anything else. I usually use it for my knitting or crochet projects, for smaller projects, and I put my yarn and whatever I need inside of it. I think I just have 1 bag this time. Okay. And it's always messy when you get a plant delivered because the dirt's all over the place. And she's leaning a bit. But here she is. She looks a little bad from this side because she's leaning. So we'll show this side. But she's gorgeous. Thank you, Matt. I love her. I'm really excited. This is a beautiful, beautiful plant. Thanks so much, and I'll see you the next time. Thank you, Lively Root. Bye-bye.